What's up guys, good evening from Singapore. My name is Vinir Singh. I hope you have a fantastic day. Today I am going to the Mustafa. Mustafa is a shopping mall. It opens 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Mustafa is founded by Mustaq Ahmed, his father Haji Muhammad Mustafa and his uncle Muhammad Mustafa. Its first shop was established in 1971 in the Little India, Singapore. This mall is also near to my hostel where I stayed. There are a lot of good varieties of shoes in affordable price. They also have a high profile boot, shoes and sneakers. Even there are a lot of varieties of shoes. It is difficult for the user to select one. Look at the beautiful color of sneakers, orange, yellow and green. And this one is awesomely beautiful. The price is $150. It's around rupees 7,000. It's high for me. Let's move to another thing. Even this mall is too big. Once you enter, you will lost. Police Jeep remote control car. When I was a kid, there were no remote control cars for the kid or maybe costly, but nowadays they have multiple options. Big size piano. And look at this, it's a lawn tennis bat and it's 3 times larger than the normal bat. Pedestal and table fans. And these all are remote controls. Awesomely good. Now move on to the kitchen department. Even last time I uploaded the video of Singapore Mall. Even mall does not have these kind of products, but Mustafa have it. Instant electric geyser. Even they have the regulator on instant electric geyser. Cool. $1,000 refrigerator from Japan. Let's see the inside. It is good but not up to the mark. Almira design refrigerator. This is wonderful. This is what I'm waiting for. A stunning refrigerator, $3,200. Instant ice maker. Cubed ice, crushed ice. Awesomely good. I am tired but still this Mustafa Mall has lot of things to see. UHD Samsung television. It's a home theater. Sony music system. It's a delightful design. Even Japan and Singapore is very near and that is why they mostly use the Sony products. Look at this, the jewelry shop inside the Mustafa. My mother and sister is fond of jewelry but I don't like this. Let's see. Even there is a GST refund for the tourist and there is a requirement you need to show the bill on the airport and you will get the refund. That is a good thing. So if you are a tourist, you will get the refund of the GST. Well, these pens are for the high profile people and each pen costs more than $100. Medicine shop inside the Mustafa. I never seen the medicine shop inside the mall. And sure, this is a good for the body fitness and better than a protein X. Well, thank you for watching. If you like this video, press the thumb button and please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification first of my next video. God bless you and your family.